So what is going on, guys? Welcome to a very different video. Today I'm going to be hitting the woodwork. As you've seen in previous videos, when it comes to hitting the woodwork, when it comes to hitting the crossbar, I'm a specialty, and not for the right reasons. I'm meant to be scoring, yet everything just usually hits the bar. Even today we've been filming a video for Charlie's channel, who's behind the camera, and this happened. So really, you might call me a specialty in failure. Yeah? I meant to say no. However, one positive thing about hitting the woodwork is that satisfying sound of the clash of the ball on the metal, not actually wood. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be hitting the crossbar, the post, from different angles, different types of set pieces, and just have some fun today. It's a bit of a chilled one. Charlie's obviously behind the camera. Hello, Mr. Morley, eating a sandwich. If you do enjoy this type of video, guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's try and smash 4,000 likes. How about that one? Can we do it?
40,000.
50,000.
40.
40,000.
Yep. Impossible.
Let's do 4,000 likes. And without further ado, guys, let's start this woodwork hitting mania. Now, first up, when you take a penalty, there's three types of woodworks you can hit: the left post, the crossbar, and the right post. They've missed 3 penalties, all by hitting the woodwork. Then you take one, it hits the woodwork and goes in. Next up is one of my favourites. In fact, it is my favourite, the half volley crossbar. Now this crossbar hit is a favourite of Charlie's, would you say? The long ranger, the halfway line. You're a pioneer of this, really. Oh my word. Oh. Sometimes when you're taking corners, you go for goal. Sometimes you hit the post. You're always hitting a crossbar behind camera, aren't you? You know those videos on Facebook, on YouTube, whatever, when someone's one-on-one, he goes around the keeper, he's 2 yards out, and he misses. Like, how does that happen, Charlie?
You tell me.
Yo, Charlie.
Yes, mate.
What's your name?
Haven't they told you? Dr. Rabona.
Wow, you really are a Dr. Rabona.
Becky, what do they call this one?
We call this one the tow bar. You know, it's half term, this video is very weird, I admit. It's not my usual stuff, but we're having fun. And you know what the main thing about half term is? You always need to look for a deal. This is the 2 for the price of 1. Just wants me to have another go. Shakalaka boom! Interesting video. Agreed?
Agreed.
I had fun-ish. If you did enjoy this one, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, check out Charlie's channel, there's a link in the description down below, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your half term, guys. We've got a video coming out this weekend, which is Premier League challenges of the September, and apart from that, I'll see you in another video very soon. So until then, guys, I'll see you later. The corner bit.
Linton goal, goal. Always believe in your soul. My feet look horrible. It's well easy to zoom out when you go like that.
Yeah. Right. Next up is one of my favourites. In fact, it is my favourite. The half volley crossbar. 3 points for the conversion. Too high.
Just look where that's gone. It's gone over.
Oh, why is it always going over?
For fuck's sake.
Oh, that one.
Oh, blimey!
Just turn it right, mate.
Oh my god, that was close.
Sometimes when you're taking corners, you go for goal. Sometimes you hit the post. Oh, you scored.
Charlie, Charlie, Charlie,
Charlie!
what's your name?
Rabona. Dr. Rabona. Oh, it's just too good at scoring goals.
Wait, Charlie,
Yeah, man.
Charlie,
Yeah.
what's your name?
Rabona. Go.
Yo, Charlie,
Yes,
where are you? What's your name?
Stop!
He hit the post. Yo, Charlie,
Yes, mate.
what's your name?
Haven't they told you? I'm Rabona. Dr. Rabona. I'm the love Rabona doctor. Oh my. Oh my. Everyone has just seen you do that.